Hello and welcome to Indian Masterminds. I am Bhakti Kothari. Power in uniform is often mistaken for command, but true power in policing is something quieter. It is the ability to hold order without raising your voice, to modernize without disrupting trust, to reform systems without seeking applause. Today, we bring you the story of a leader who has done exactly that. A man who rose not through noise but through consistency, not through spectacle, but through systems. This is the story of Dr. M.A. Salim, the Director General of Police and Inspector General of Police, head of the Police Force, Karnataka. Dr. M.A. Salim began his journey in 1993 after clearing the All India Civil Services examination. A proud Kannadiga, he entered the Indian Police Service with a simple belief: policing must combine discipline with dignity. Over 3 decades, he has served in 26 different roles across Karnataka. As a young assistant superintendent of police in Sagar and Kushalnagar, he cracked down on timber smuggling and poaching in the Malnad region. He dismantled organized gambling networks and strengthened investigative standards. As superintendent of police in Udupi and Hassan, he reduced property offences, significantly recovered stolen property at high detection rates, and ensured peaceful elections. But even then, enforcement was only one side of his approach. He launched community initiatives like Asare for senior citizens, Spandana for women, and child helplines, blending policing with public trust. If there is one chapter that brought Dr. Salim widespread public recognition, it was traffic reform in Bengaluru. As Deputy Commissioner and later Special Commissioner of Police Traffic, he did not just manage traffic, he redesigned it. He converted over 120 roads into one-way systems. He conceptualized the BTRAC project. He introduced the Intelligent Traffic Management System at 50 major junctions. Under his leadership, 97% enforcement became contactless. Around 20,000 violations were booked daily. 50 lakh pending cases were cleared. 136 crore in fines were collected. Record reductions in accidents were achieved. But numbers tell only part of the story. He introduced Public Eye, Be Safe, Safe Routes to School, Traffic, Children Park, and Citizen Advisory Committees. For him, traffic policing was not about challans. It was about discipline, technology, and public participation working together. His efforts earned him the prestigious IRTE Prince Michael International Road Safety Award. In June 2023, as Director General of Police CID Karnataka, Dr. Salim led some of the state's most sensitive investigations. He supervised special investigation teams probing the IMA fraud affecting 74,000 people, multi-crore cryptocurrency hacking cases, the police sub-inspector recruitment scam, financial misappropriation cases, sexual harassment and extortion allegations involving powerful individuals. Under his leadership, CID reduced case backlog from 930 to 360. He established the Deposit Fraud Investigation Division, the Criminal Intelligence Unit, and strengthened cybercrime and narcotics wings. Through the Center for Cybercrime Investigation, Training and Research, over 6,200 officers, judicial officials, and prosecutors were trained in cybersecurity. His message was clear: modern crime requires modern policing. As Additional Director General of Police Administration, he brought structural discipline to the force. He reduced promotional vacancies to zero, updated long pending gradation lists, processed promotions for 257 senior officers, and oversaw construction of more than 10,000 residential quarters for police personnel. As ADGP Police Grievances and Human Rights, he doubled healthcare scheme allocations from 50 crores to 100 crores and cleared pending hospital bills. He strengthened transparency through the Police Complaints Authority and worked closely with human rights commissions. For Dr. Salim, welfare and accountability go hand in hand. From managing post-Godhra tensions and large-scale agitations to peacefully conducting elections, he has repeatedly demonstrated calm leadership. As Commissioner of Police Mysuru City, he ensured communal harmony and managed the iconic Dasara festival with precision. He even handled an unexpected tiger escape from Mysuru Zoo without injury or panic. During COVID 19, he led coordinated response mechanisms across police units, ensuring discipline and personal welfare. In moments of pressure, his leadership has been defined by steadiness. Dr. Salim's work has earned national recognition. President's Police Medal for Meritorious Service, President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service, National Award for E-Governance, BP R&D Commendation Disc, IRTE Prince Michael International Road Safety Award. Academically, he holds a Master's in Commerce, a Master's in Police Management, and a doctorate in Traffic Management from Bangalore University. He has also authored a book on metropolitan traffic management and regularly writes on contemporary policing issues. Today, as the head of Police Force of Karnataka, Dr. M.A. Salim brings together three defining strengths: operational clarity, technological modernization, and human sensitivity. He believes policing must be strict but transparent, modern but humane, efficient but accountable. From clearing congestion on roads to clearing backlog in investigations, his career reflects one consistent idea: build systems that last. Leadership is not always loud. Sometimes it is built quietly over decades in files cleared, reforms implemented, crime solved, and trust restored. Dr. M. A. Salim's journey reminds us that governance is strongest when it combines authority with empathy. At Indian Masterminds, we bring you stories of those who shape institutions not for headlines but for history. If this story gave you a new perspective on leadership in uniform, like this video, share it with someone who believes in service beyond spotlight, and subscribe to Indian Masterminds for more in-depth stories from the world of governance and national security. Until next time, I am Bhakti Kothari. Stay informed, stay inspired, and keep watching Indian Masterminds.